all the mean term in a binary way. So we're going to have a 0, 1, 3, 5, 6, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, and not enough space, 10, 14, 15. Okay, just double check. 0, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 14, 15. Okay, and then this bit's gonna be 8, this bit's gonna be 4, this bit's gonna 2, this bit's gonna 1. Right, for 0 is 0, 0, 0, 0. 1 is easy. 3 is this. 5 is 1 and 4. 6 is 1, 4, and 2. 7 is this one. 8 is this one. 10 is this one. 14 is this one. 15 is this one. Okay, so after we draw everything, then we can leave it there and start the grouping. Okay, we can group them by the number of ones. So we're going to start from 0, and it has 0, 0, 0, 0 itself is one group. Okay, so this is the group, we call it a group 0. Okay, and another group which is have a 1, 1. So we're gonna have this one, this one. So I have 2. So one is 1, another one is 8. Okay, so we got 0, 0, 0, 1. 8 is 1, 0, 0. Okay, and this is the group 1. Okay, called a group 1, and we have 2 1s, 2 1s, 2 1s, 3. There, 2, 1, 2. Oh, there is another one, so I almost forgot that. 3, 5, 6, and 10. Okay, so 3 is 0, 0, 1, 1. 5 is 0, 1, 0, 1. 6 is 0, 1, 1, 0. 10 is 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay, you can see you need to be extra careful. So if you copy wrong digit, you're not gonna make the right answer. Okay, then we have 3 and 3, so which is a 7 and 14. 7 is 0, 1, 1, 1. 14 is 1, 1, 1, 0, and that's group 3. The last group is 15, 1, 1, 1, 1. Call it group number 4. Okay, so we're gonna separate this one. Okay, and we're gonna compare. All right, compare group 0 with group 1. So we can move, and remember, if they are matched, you just tick them and write the result. Okay, so we're gonna compare 0, 0, 0, x. Okay, so that's 0, 0, 0, x, and the location is 0 and 1. Okay, so we tick both, and then compare this x, 0, 0, 0. So this is x, 0, 0. X 0, 0, 0, yes. Sorry, x 0, yes. So that is 0 and number 8. Tick that. So group 0 and group 1 finished. So we're gonna do the next group, which is 1 to 2, 1 to 3. Okay, 0, 0, x1, 0, 0, x1. This is 1 and 3. 1 and 5. Okay, 0, x, 0, 1. 0, x, 0, 1. This is 1 and 5. Okay, and 1 and 6, 0, 1, sorry, where is that? I kind of, okay, 1 and 6, 0, not, sorry, cross to cross is not gonna happen. Cross 0 cross, that's not gonna happen. All right, so you see the pattern here, okay, and when you compare you will see another pair which is 8 and 10. Okay, 1, 0, x and 0, 1, 0, x and 0, that is 8 and 10. Okay, so 8 and 10, just cross that. So 1 and 3, 1 and 5, sorry, 1 and 3 and 1 and 5. Where are we? Okay, 1 and 5 and 8 and 10. There's nothing about 6 yet. Okay, so group 1 and group 2 is done. All right, so we're gonna look at next group 3 to group 4. 3, 7 is 0, x, 1, 1. 0, x, 1, 1. That is 3 and 7. So we take 7. 3 and 14. There are 2 bits different. No. 5 and 7. 0, 1, x, 1. 0, 1, x, 1. 5 and 7. So it's all ticked. Next is a 5 and 14. X, 1, x. All right. 6 and 7. 0, 1, 1, x. 0, 1, 1, x. 6 and 7. So 6 been ticked, 7 been ticked. Okay. And 6 and 14. X, 1, 1, 0. X, 1, 1, 0. 6 and 14 is ticked. And next one, 10 and 7. No. 10 and 14. 1, x, 1, 0. 1, 1. Come on. 1, x, 1, 0. This is, what is that? 10 and 14. Okay. Let me scroll up. So we actually down this group 2 and 3. And next is 3 to 4. Okay. 7 to 15. X, 1, 1, 1. X, 1, 1, 1. That is 7 and 15. And 14 to 15. 1, 1, 1, x. 1, 1, 1, x. That is 14 to 15. All good. We checked all of them. So it's not important to us. We can start to move to the next part. Then we're gonna do this comparison. So we're gonna do this group, then this group, then this group. Okay. So let's do that. first, if you compare this one to this one, you can see we talk about this to looking at X location, never. So this one is already be able to marked. So we mark that there's not go further. This one, X is here. You can see you can't match that, so this one not go further either. So next one, so we're going to compare this group to the next group. So X, oh, you do have a match X, and 1, oh, this one actually does match. Okay, so I will point out this one first, so you can see this one, and which one's that? X, the location is here, and you can see this one. This two does match. So this 0, X, X, 1, right? So only 1 digit difference. So this two does match. Okay, so let me cancel that. So we need to write it down. So where should I write it? So probably I will write it here. So we have a 0 and X, and next one is also X, and this one is a 1. So 0, X, X, 1. And the location for this one is 1 and 3. That's 1 and 3. Another one is a 5 and 7. Okay, 5 and 7. So 4 digits. Next one, we're gonna compare. So for in terms of this one is ticked. Okay, we tick this one with 5 and 7. We tick this one. And next we're gonna compare this one to the rest. So there's only one X, so you don't need to do that anymore. So for this one, there is X, there is X. So 0, X, X1. We got another one, 0, X, X1. This is another one, which is 1 and 5 matches 3 and 7. All right, so you can see, sorry, let me just tick that first, 3 and 7. All right, so these two matched, but you can see 0xx1, they are exactly the same, so we can safely cross one out. So we can only leave one code, that's enough. All right, so you can see we keep going. So X is also matched here, but there's a difference of X, X, X. So more than 1 bit's difference, so it doesn't work. And look at this one, there is a match, but this is an X, there's another X, so it's not gonna work. So we done this part. Now we're gonna compare this group to this group. Okay, for X is here is not, for X is here is not, for X is here, yes, there is X. So this is X, compare this to, okay, X, 1, 1, X. All right, we got a 1 more here, X, 1, 1, X, and the location is 6 and 7, right? 6, 7, and 14 and 15. 6 and 7. So this one is 6 of 7, 14 and 15. All right, 6 and 7 down for this one. X, X. So X, 1, 1, X. X, 1, 1, X. X, 1, 1, X. It's this one and this one, right? So this is 6, 14 for 6, 14 matches with 7 and 15. Okay, matches 7 and 15, matches this one. All right, so you can see these are again repeated, so we can cross this one. Actually, you can cross either of them. And that's it. Last one, if you look at this one, there's X, it cannot match. So this one need to be marked. Double check this one. This one do have this one match X, but there are 2 bits difference, so this one is a strike. So we're gonna mark that. All right, so far we finished the question 1 part A. Now we're gonna start to build the final products. Okay, start to build the final table to find the final expression. So we're gonna use all the final products with the strike, like this one, this one, this one, this one, so this one, this one, so 6 of them. I'm gonna copy down the address or the location, which is a 0, 1, that's the first one we got, then 0 and 8, and we got a 8 and 10, we got a 10 and 14, and we got this one, this is a long one, we got a 1, 5, 3, 7, and we also got 6, 14, 7, and 15. Okay, so with this 6 location, then we're gonna draw the cross. All right, draw the cross. Why I can't go that way anymore? Let me try. I just really want to go that part. Yep. So I'm gonna draw a top line here, and remember I'm gonna bring all the numbers here. So all the numbers here I'm gonna bring it back. Okay, so it's gonna be, enlarge it, so it's gonna be I have notes here, 0, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 14, 15, and I will draw a line here. Okay, and I will mark the location of this one, 0, 1, 0, 8, 8 and 10, 10 and 14, 1, 5, 3, 7, 1, 5, 3, 7. What's next? Oh, here we go. Put it on the wrong position. Okay. Next, 6, 14, 7, 15. 6, 14, 7, 15. All right. Now we start to looking for special one who take the whole column. Okay, they take the whole column. There's only 1, so we have 3 of this and 4. We had a 4 of this. Okay, we want to cross them first. Okay, we want to cross them first to make horizontal line. So first we can make this horizontal line. Okay, and this one cross. There's nothing to cross. This 2 gonna cross. This 2 gonna cross. Okay, and we know we're gonna make this horizontal line. I'm gonna change the color, maybe a green one. So I'm gonna cross this line, 4 of them. So this one gonna be crossed. This already been crossed. There's nothing more. Okay, and I will do another one, which is this one. Okay, so this one gonna be crossed. This one can be crossed. Then I just need 1 more. Probably this one. Gonna do this. So, or you can do the upper one. That's all good. So we have this one being selected, this row being selected, this row being selected, this row being selected. 4 of them. All right, so we need to go back to build our final product for f. It's too big. Let me shrink a little bit. So remember, this is A, B, C, D. This is A, B, C, D. If there's an X, that means it's not being used. 0, 8, that's this line. And 8 and 10, that's this line. And this is not included. 1, 5, 3, 7 is this one. And the last one is this one. Okay, let's start write the equation. So f gonna equals to, let me put it down a little bit. F gonna equals to, for this one, x is not exist, a is not exist, b naught, c naught, d naught. Okay, so b naught, c naught, d naught plus a, b naught, c is not there, d. Right, a, b naught, c is not there, d naught. Okay, d naught here. And the next term is a naught. Okay, b is not there, c is not there, d positive. And a is not there, b, c. Okay, that's it. All right, that's the final result.